and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and we're going to do my diamond team airdrop today. Let's go over the stats and let's see where the team stands. As of now, I've deposited 1.64 BNB with my original deposits and the team's contribution. This is how much there's left here for me to pay out, $2,300. Good job, guys. And this is how much money is available to reinvest or to airdrop at this moment. If we scroll down, we're at 15 members, and thank you for those who have joined my diamond team. So total between the 15 of us, there's 8.5 BNB. Now, only in my account, there's 1.64 deposited. I am getting some small referrals based on those deposits, and we're contributing here to the pool together. So what I want to do today is I want to airdrop $10 to each and one of you for joining my team, and I'm going to reinvest this money. I'm not going to touch this money. So I'm going to reinvest this money. Let's do that now. We're going to get a 5% bonus. Confirm. Perfect. And there we go. It was now added into my deposits. Now I'm going to airdrop $10 to each and one of you. So let's go down here. And I do like my diamond team's application. I can very easily do a team airdrop and I don't have to worry about it, and we all get paid together. And when I say we all, I haven't taken any profits on my diamond team or Splassive. I'll start taking my profits once you guys get paid and we grow this team. I'll take my cut later. So the amount of BNB I'm going to deposit, let's go to CoinGecko and do some math. So we're here at CoinGecko. BNB is currently trading at 397, and I want to know how much is 10 US dollars. That's 0.0251. So if we do 0.0251 times 15, I need to airdrop 0.3765. So let's do that. 0.3765. Also send to team owner. No, we're not going to do that. And let's send that airdrop. All right, perfect. Confirm. And there we have it. It's showing up now. Now, if we take that and subtract that from 1, since I'm going to deposit the rest of my BNB there, that's 0.6235 that I'm going to deposit right now into the team here. Here we go. Make a deposit here. 6235. 6235. Deposit. Confirm. And there we go. So now my diamond team, I have deposited $989 of BNB there, and our max payout is $3,600. So we're doing very well there. I really do like my diamond team better than Splassive, but I do think that there's more money to be made in Splassive. It's just a headache for me to be doing airdrops in Splassive. I take so much time recording that video and actually doing it and tracking it. And my diamond team is just very efficient and it works very nicely, and I can airdrop everybody evenly. It's so nice. So also, for those of you who are not part of the team, and for those who are part of the team too, remember Piston token. In order to qualify for the pre-sale token of Piston token, you have to join my diamond team and deposit a minimum of 0.5 BNB. If you do that, you will be part of the whitelist and qualify for the Piston token pre-sale that is going to end here March 28th. That is a cutoff date. That's 7 days from now. You still have time to join my diamond team and qualify for that pre-sale. After that, March 29th is the pre-sale date, and Piston token will be launched on April 3rd. A lot of exciting things happening. I'm really looking forward to Piston token. I see how my diamond team is functioning, and there is a lot of expectations. The way I'm looking at Piston token right now is a mix between Splassive, because they will have their own token and has that ability to skyrocket and make a lot of money. I'm sure it's going to be a very nice user interface like my Diamond Team, where it's very efficient and easy to manage to make airdrops. I'm super pumped about these projects. So if you want to join my Diamond Team and earn BNB rewards, you can make a deposit and you'll make 1.5% return on your deposit. And I believe the minimum deposit is 0.1 BNB. So if you join my team, use the link under the description of this video. You'll be able to earn BNB and take advantage of the team and receive those weekly airdrops. So that is my Diamond Team airdrop for this week. And if you want any future updates, you can join my Discord. Discord is free, and I have Splash Network and Diamond Team updates here regularly, so you can see what is happening with our team. And while we're at it, I might as well do a little update here on Splassive. We now have 2 new team members, and we have total deposits here $5,400. We already have 2.89 Splash tokens for this weekend's airdrop. I'm going to be compounding this throughout the week and let it run from Friday to Monday so that we can have next Monday a nice, beautiful airdrop with Splassive. I'll leave a link under the description of this video for Splassive as well. This team is becoming a beast. So that's going to do it for this one. If you made it this far, thank you very much, guys. YouTube likes it when everyone watches the videos until the end. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, reference links down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.